In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel filler pocket on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. If your truck has this, go ahead and remove it by just pulling on it. This exposes the 3 8mm screws that we have to remove to free up the filler neck from the pocket. Before we do that though, let's take the fuel filler door off of this. This piece will actually clip onto the new one. You want to transfer that over. Take a pocket screwdriver or whatever else you have that fits in here. Pry this little tab out. This should allow the door cover to slide off. It's just hooked onto these little tabs here. Set this aside because like I said, we're going to be transferring it over. Now with your 8mm socket, remove all of the screws that hold on the filler neck onto this pocket. And third one over here. The only thing holding this fuel filler pocket on are going to be these clips here. There are 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. You can actually get to them from behind it if you sneak your hand past the wheel arch here. There's a few body panels in the way, but you'll see I'm moving the filler neck right now, and if you pry those in, you should be able to push this out, stick a trim tool underneath it to hold it. I'm able to reach this top one also. There we go. Once you get 2 out, it should be a little bit easier to get to the other ones. Okay. Twist it, and there it is. Now with the new filler neck pocket, to get it in, slide this piece in, the hinge part for the door. Slide that in first. You're going to have to kind of press it into place, just like this. Open the door at this point so you can grab the filler neck, position it so that this gasket slides over it, and then just press it on. Those clips should lock in. You may or may not hear them snap into place, but regardless, if you pull it out, or if you try to, it should not come out. So at this point, all we have to do is resecure the filler neck with the 3 mounting screws. Start on whichever one lines up first. If you have to, grab the filler neck from underneath, move it around so you can line up the screws. And let's tighten them up. That's one. Just give them about 1/8 of a turn, maybe a quarter at most after they bottom out. That's bottomed out right there. Snug it. Okay, snug that up. Let's put this ring back on. All you have to do for this is just center it up and press it on. It should just lock in flush with the end of the filler neck. And one last thing is going to be this door, which has 2 tracks on it. Once it falls into place, push it in, it should lock. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.